So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to add numbered lists here on Google Docs. So if you were to go ahead and add one, so just basically on your keyboard, if you were to go ahead and press one, press dot, then press space, it'll then start the formatting this way. So you can just go L or LOL, ha ha ha, ba ha ha ha, laugh, like whatever your list is, it'll do it automatically. Now, if you want to sort of change how this is formatted, another way you can do it as well is to go to the top right here to where it says numbered list. Beside that, you can press on the drop down and you can kind of get a better sense right here on how you want it formatted. So if you want this formatted in like an ABC, you can do that. If you want to format it into like a 1, 2, 3, one with a sort of a semicircle that way, a one dot, a 0, 1 like hello, bye, hey, whatever, you can format it that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to add numbered lists here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.